Hello students, today we will start articles, the topic. Okay, articles, have you heard about a and the? ये छोटी क्लासेस में सुना होगा आपने, सेकंड क्लास में, थर्ड क्लास में a and the, vowel sound, consonant sound. vowels कौन से होते हैं? a, e, i, o, u. a, e, i, o, u के अलावा except a, e, i, o, u, whatever the alphabets are remaining, these are known as consonants. Okay, and now you know vowels a, e, i, o, u. So the sound of these vowels are known as vowel sound. जो vowels के जो sound है उनको बोलेंगे vowel sound, and the sound of the consonant are known as consonant sound. And except a, e, i, o, u, all alphabets are consonants. So sound of those remaining alphabets which we also say as consonant. जो remaining alphabets है उनको हम क्या बोलेंगे? consonant, and their sound is known as consonant sound. तो consonant का sound क्या हो जाएगा? consonant sound. vowels का sound क्या हो जाएगा? vowel sound. Is that clear? vowels के sound कौन कौन से? a का sound क्या है? what is the sound of a? a. Okay, e is also vowel, so sound of e is a. sound of I is I. sound of o is o. sound of u is a. Okay, so what it is? sound of a is a. sound of e is a. sound of I is I. sound of o is o. sound of u is a. These are known as vowel sound. इनको क्या बोलेंगे? vowel sound. ठीक है, इनको क्या बोलेंगे हम लोग? vowel sound. ठीक है, इनके अलावा जो रिमेनिंग अल्फाबेट्स है उनको क्या बोलेंगे? कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड. इनको क्या बोलेंगे? कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड. क्योंकि जो रिमेनिंग है वो तो सारे क्या है? कॉन्सोनेंट्स है, तो उनके साउंड को क्या बोलेंगे? कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड. ठीक है, अभी इनका क्या यूज है? वावल साउंड क्यों पढ़ना है हमें? कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड, व्हाई वी नीड टू स्टडी द वावल साउंड एंड द कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड? so that we can understand where the articles a and the can be used. If we don't know about the vowel sound, if we don't know about the consonant sound, we cannot understand where a and the is used. अगर हम vowel sound नहीं हमें पता चलेगी कहाँ पे है, consonant sound कौन सा, तो हमें पता ही नहीं चलेगा a कहाँ पे यूज होना है, and कहाँ पे यूज होना है, the कहाँ पे यूज होना है. Is that clear? Now let us see. So what are articles? First of all, so articles are what? So we know that a and the are articles. Now exactly what are articles? Articles are the words which are used with nouns to clear definite meaning of the noun in the sentences. Articles वो words हैं जो कि nouns के साथ में use होते हैं. क्यों use कर रहे हो noun के साथ में? Why we are using this? To clear the definite meaning of the noun in the sentences. Definite, you understand? Definite means particular. क्या मतलब है उस noun का? You know noun? Nouns are what? Naming words. Just now we have finished the chapter noun, right? Naming words are known as nouns. Name of a place, thing, animal, person is what? Noun. So to clear the definite meaning of the noun in the sentences, we use what? Articles. Okay, and articles are what? A and the. Now we will study about a article. Where article a is used? A is used with the noun having consonant sound. Where we will use a article? जहाँ पे consonant sound होगी. ठीक है, first of all, first condition is that a is used with the noun having consonant sound. Okay, and second thing is, even if the article, even if the sentence, even if in the sentence vowel alphabet is there. Okay, for example, look the example of a article. I go to university. ठीक है, u is what? u is what? vowel. a, e, i, o, u. u is what? vowel. So u is what? vowel. Is that clear? So but here we are using a. यहाँ पे क्या यूज करना है हमें? a. मैंने यहाँ पे किया नहीं है, ये आपको खुद आइडेंटिफाई करना है. I go to a university. यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? a university. Is that clear? क्या आएगा? a university. क्यों? Because U is a vowel but it is having what? Consonant sound. That is why we are using a university, because vowel sound of U is a, but this is what? Sound is U. I go to university. So what article it will come here? I go to a university. Is that clear? I need a yak. Here consonant alphabet is there and consonant sound is there. Yak. It is not a vowel sound. A. ठीक है? A sound is a. So this is why yak. Ya. A नहीं है यहाँ पे. Ya है. So ya is what? Consonant. So here which article will come? I need a yak. And now see the first example. I live in a city. Chandigarh should come. A is not there, so that we can fill the correct article. That is why I have left it. I have not typed it here. I live in a city Chandigarh. यहाँ पे क्या आना चाहिए? A city Chandigarh. मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा नहीं है ताकि आप खुद लिखोगे अभी अपने नोटबुक्स में. Is that clear? I live in a city Chandigarh आएगा. क्यों? Because C is what? Consonant. Okay? C, city. This is not a vowel sound, है ना? I live in a city Chandigarh. Is that clear? Sorry. Now next is a article we have come to know. So a कहाँ पे यूज होएगा? Where there is a consonant sound. ठीक है? Second thing is, even if the alphabet is starting from the vowel, ठीक है? U is what? Vowel here, but if it is having a consonant sound, then which article we will use? We will use a article. Is that clear? Now an article, where we will use an? So an article is used with the noun having vowel sound. यहाँ पे an कब यूज होएगा? जहाँ पर vowel sound होएगा, जहाँ पे vowels आते हैं a, e, i, o, u. ठीक है? और vowel sound भी होने चाहिए, खाली vowels नहीं, vowels के साथ में sound भी. क्यों? क्योंकि a article में भी देखो vowel आ रहा है ना, u is coming here, but still we are using a because it is not having vowel sound. So an article is used where the noun is having vowel sound. बेशक वो consonant से start हो रहा है. Okay, we will see the example. I eat an apple. ठीक है? A is what? Vowel and sound is what? A. ठीक है? So I eat an apple. ठीक है? A. Sound क्या है इसका? A. I need an apple. Then I have an 1 hour to work. ठीक है? यहाँ पे भी O है. ठीक है? This is what? Vowel. So if I say that I have an hour to work, but H is what? मैं यहाँ पे क्या लिख सकती हूँ? मैं यहाँ पे लिख सकती हूँ, I can write here I have an hour. Is that clear? I have an hour. यहाँ पे H, what is this H? H is a consonant. H is what? Consonant. लेकिन इसके साथ में भी मैं an article यूज कर रही हूँ. Here also what I am using? An article. Right? Why? क्योंकि हमने बोला है बेशक अगर कॉन्सोनेंट से स्टार्ट हो रहा है वर्ड, इवन इफ इट इज स्टार्टिंग विथ कॉन्सोनेंट, बट इफ इट इज गिविंग द साउंड ऑफ vowel. ठीक है? Hour. आ साउंड इज ऑफ vowel. Hour. We don't say hour. Hour सुना? We how many hours we have worked? Do we say like that? No. We say what? Hour. Okay, so that is why an article is used, because even though it is a consonant, but it is having the sound of vowel. That is why an article is used. Okay, H is a consonant, but it is what? Said hour. In hour. H-O-U-R. H is the consonant, but what we are using the sound? Hour. That is why an article is used. So where an is used? Where the noun is having vowel sound. ठीक है? Even if it is starting with consonant. बेशक वो starting वो consonant से हो रहा है. यहाँ पे जैसे hour है, H consonant है. ठीक है? बेशक वो स्टार्टिंग उसकी even though it is starting with consonant but it is giving the sound of vowel. That is why I have an hour. Is that clear? But here what it is there, I have 1 hour to work. So here easily I can put I have an 1 hour to work because O vowel is there and we say one. ठीक है? Here also what vowel sound is coming. I need an umbrella. So U is a vowel and it is giving a vowel sound. I need an umbrella. ठीक है? We say umbrella. Vowel sound is coming. That is why we will use what? An article. But see in example of a article, I am writing I go to a university. Here also U is used. In umbrella also U is used. But umbrella pronunciation is umbrella. So that is why I need an umbrella. Vowel sound is coming. I go to a university. Here what it is? I go to a university. ठीक है? So which article it is? Here it will come A. I go to a university. Is that clear? That is why here it should come a university. Even though it is starting with vowel. Fine. Now next article is the. The is used to state something definite. The किसके लिए यूज किया जाता है? Definitely हमें जो है किसी को कुछ जो है बताना है, something point out करना है definitely, यानी किसी particular meaning when we have to state. Okay, when we have to state a particular meaning of something. Particular means on that of that specific person. जैसे if I am saying that my daughter, for example, my daughter Riddhi is working or my student Riddhi is working. Okay, so I am particularly talking about what? Riddhi. Fine. मैं particularly किसके बारे में बात कर रही हूँ? रिद्धि के बारे में. Definite meaning रिद्धि क्या है? Noun, because noun is what? Naming word. Noun is what? Name of a place, thing, animal, person. So Riddhi is the name of a person. So I am saying that my student Riddhi, is that clear? Is studying. Is that clear? तो रिद्धि क्या है? पर्टिकुलर हो गया ना. तो मैं यहाँ पे अगर मुझे यूज करना है आर्टिकल क्या बोलूंगी? द रिद्धि माई स्टूडेंट. क्योंकि रिद्धि क्या है? मैं रिद्धि के ऊपर फोकस कर रही हूँ ना, खाली रिद्धि के बारे में बता रही हूँ. रिद्धि का मीनिंग मुझे क्लियर करना है. तो इसलिए रिद्धि क्या कर रही है सेंटेंस में? पढ़ रही है. तो मैं सिर्फ रिद्धि के बारे में बोल रही हूँ. दैट इज व्हाट आई विल यूज, द रिद्धि. इज दैट क्लियर? द रिद्धि माई स्टूडेंट इज स्टडिंग. इज दैट क्लियर? नाउ और कब यूज होता है द? नाउ अगेन द इज यूज when we have to state particular definite meaning of a noun in a sentence, and second when we have to what? State whole class. ठीक है? when we have to state whole class also, जब हमें पूरे क्लास को भी जब रिप्रेजेंट करना है, when we have to represent whole class also, then also we use the article. For example, यहाँ पे क्या? the rose plant. the rose plant. The rose plant is not grown by roots. रोज प्लांट को हम रूट से नहीं ग्रो करते हैं ना, हम लोग स्टेम से रूट करते हैं, स्टेम कटिंग करते हैं उसकी और फिर हम लोग डालते हैं. ठीक है? हम सीड्स नहीं शो करते, इसलिए उसके रूट्स नहीं आते हैं. वी ग्रो इट बाय स्टेम. So that is why I am telling, and I am talking particularly about rose plant. So the rose plant is not grown by roots. तो मैंने particularly बोला, rose plant के बारे में particularly बात कर रही हूँ. So which article I have to use here? The article. So the rose plant is not grown by roots. And now the peacock is the India's national bird. The peacock is India's national bird. अभी India पूरी country हो गई, पूरा क्लास हो गया, पूरी कम्युनिटी होगी, इंडियन कम्युनिटी होगी. सो व्हाट आई एम रिप्रेजेंटिंग? फुल इंडिया. ओके, सो पीकॉक इज द नेशनल बर्ड ऑफ इंडिया, और द पीकॉक इज द इंडियाज नेशनल बर्ड. पूरी क्लास को रिप्रेजेंट कर दिया. द फोर्थ बी क्लास इज गुड क्लास. द फोर्थ ए क्लास इज गुड क्लास. तो मैंने पूरे फोर्थ ए को रिप्रेजेंट किया. पूरी फोर्थ बी को रिप्रेजेंट किया, so which article I am using? The article. Is that clear? If I am saying the fourth B is very notorious class, बहुत naughty class है, so then also what I am representing? Fourth B. So which article I will use? The fourth B class. Is that clear? That's it. The peacock is the India's national bird. Is that clear? Now as you will practice, you will come to know more about articles. Okay? So try it by yourself if you can, otherwise no problem. Tomorrow we will discuss it. Okay, any doubt? If you are not able to understand still, just tell me.